Hey guys, what's up mga Oragons? Hey YouTube fam! So today we are going to be making Pillsbury Crescent Croissants. Oh, by the way, this is not a paid advertisement. So these are the things you will need to make a Pillsbury Crescent Croissant. The Pillsbury Crescent Croissant dough. If you want your croissant to have filling, you can add Nutella or anything you want inside. You need some. We already mixed it. You need eggs and milk. You crack the egg, put some milk, and mix it. And you need some spoons and some brushes. Okay, let's start. Oh, and you need parchment paper and a baking tray. And you need to set the oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, let's open it.
Oh, I'm so excited. No. I'm worried if it cracks.
Whoa, it just exploded. Did you feel that in the table?
No.
Okay, oh no, it's stuck.
Oh no, I can't do this anymore. This is what it looks like outside. Whoa, it's like a lot. Whoa. That's so sticky. I'm gonna let go on. I need some parchment paper.
Okay, so now we need to do this.
Wow.
But you need to be very careful so that the dough doesn't break.
Okay.
Oh no. Okay. Oh, please don't rip. Okay, I need to move it. Oh no, how do I move this?
Mommy, can you help me? Mom, can
She says shucks, not sharks.
no shocks. Like, oh.
Dito mo na.
Can over you?
So, ganyan ka na.
Can
Diba? Oh. Tapos, kuha ka ng parang
Spoon.
spoon or, yeah, spoon. Anong ginamit niyo doon?
Yeah,
Spoon?
But I'll use the butter knife.
Ano na?
There's a butter knife.
Pwede rin. Basta hindi masira. Oh. Hintay mo na.
This is how you roll it carefully. Oh, what did you do now? Oh, look. You have to roll it very carefully. Because if not, the dough will rip. Mom, can I have help? Liam broke it. Okay, so this is what the dough looks like once you're done rolling it. And don't forget to wash your hands before you touch the ingredients. And we already cleaned the table since we're not using any parchment paper. So then once you're done rolling it out, you cut it gently. You just follow the line. Okay, once you're done cutting it, you go get any filling you want, like Nutella. But if you don't want any filling, you don't have to, or you can add different fillings if you want. You can add jam, hot dogs, bacon and cheese, anything you want. But just put a little bit of Nutella because once you put it in the oven, it might the Nutella might come out and the dough it's not gonna look good. It's gonna be broken.
And it might explode in the oven. And that's gonna be super scary. It's like mommy's gonna, oh shucks! I'm almost done. Just follow the lines, everyone. I'm done my area. Here. So I'm gonna put Nutella now, like my sister, but I have to wait.
You can get your own spoon. Okay, so once you're done putting Nutella, you take it and roll it. Okay, let me take it. Okay. Let me go here.
Very last.
Okay, and then you kind of turn it like this. But don't put it too close like this because when you put it in the oven, they stick together, and when you try to unstick them, it's a big mess. You're licking it.
So I'm done my way. Yeah.
Oh no. Wait.
Okay, guys, check mine.
Oh wait. Oh yes.
If you're like me, I'm 6 years old, you can lick it. Look at my sister. Wow, my sister's very good.
And once you roll it, make sure no Nutella or holes are showing.
No, there's no. Nope. How do I move?
Look at ate.
Do I do this, Mom?
Wala, slowly.
Okay.
No, just wait to get. Look at ate and how she's doing. You copy ate.
Do I do?
Give
wanna
space
see
ate, spacing, okay?
Space.
Wow.
Look at ate, huh? Oh.
Okay.
Did you lick this?
Yup. Easy does it.
Just gonna make sure it's fully cut so that
Hey.
don't
I'm
stick
gonna-
together.
Make sure it's cut. I bet Daniel will love mine. I love you.
Look at ate, kuya.
What like this?
Yeah. You cut a triangle. No, you cut and remove it from the squares.
You cut? What cut?
Look at ate. He's removing every triangle and then
See, look.
you wait for ate. Ate will teach you.
Yeah, you wanna see?
Yeah.
You teach ate muna siya before you do the...
That is magical.
Okay, you wanna see?
Kuya, doon ka kumuha sa kanya.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
So look at this.
Give him another, ano.
Look.
Give him triangle.
So what you do is you take it gently,
Okay.
Oh, you let
put it like
him
this,
roll.
and then you roll it. Okay?
Okay,
Okay.
go
I roll
kuya.
it like
Here, copy.
a.
Copy ate. Oh, step by step.
Ready? Oh, hey. See, you take it gently, then you roll it,
Then you roll it.
and then since there's like little holes poking out on the end, you curve it and make a croissant shape.
Okay.
Okay, put it on your parchment paper.
Mommy, I did it.
Very good. Go put it on your parchment paper
I
there.
did it. I did it. I did it.
Ate will help you after.
It's like a moon, a rainbow.
Last one.
Okay, one more. Ate.
No, I'm okay now.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, remove it from the square first.
begin.
And then put it here in the middle so that... Yeah.
Where do I begin? Oh, I guess I'll begin from here. Finished product. So if you make this, you get 8 in total. And if you want to make it golden, like the normal croissant color, this is what the egg and the milk is for. You dip your brushes in, and then you rub a little bit for golden color.
I'm just looking at it. Wow. So shiny. Dip, dip. I hope this yellow thing cooks and I'll eat some. I hope this dries.
Did I already put some on this? Nope. I don't think so. There we go.
We done it.
Okay. You done?
Oh.
Not too much, Liam. Not too much.
Okay.
You have to stop dipping. Cause look, go spread some on that one and see, there's still more. So.
Ah. More.
You sure?
Also,
So now that we're done spreading the egg and milk all over it, we're going to put it in the oven. And you might want to ask an adult or your babysitter or guardian or whoever's older than you and responsible, because it's hot, very hot and dangerous, and you don't want to get into any accidents. So my mom's going to be putting it in the oven. Okay, so once we're done cooking, we are going to test if it actually tastes good, and we're going to rate it from 1 to 10. Okay. Let me open it. I told you. I told you.
I'm gonna open the.
Let's rate it from 1 to 10, okay? Whew, it's hot.
Yeah.
taste it. Let's test it. Okay, bread, the croissant without Nutella, rate it. I rate it.
I rate it 8 out of 10.
I rate it 7 out of 10. Just the croissant without Nutella. Now let me try it with the Nutella.
Now let's try it with the Nutella.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Oh.
What do you think? I think it's 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
For me, with the Nutella, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10 too.
Nice.
Nice. Tomorrow I'm going to taste mine. And you too.
Yeah. Can I get one from yours?
Behind the scenes. Okay, what did you like about this video? Put in the comments, and if you want to do it with bacon or cheese or anything you want, we'll do it in a future video. Okay. My sister wants to tell you something.
Okay, anyways. So we are going to do a raffle. So the filling choices are for our croissants are jam, peanut butter, bacon, cheese and egg together, or hot dogs, or anything you want. It could be an apple croissant or yeah. And whoever wins that raffle will get 5 Pillsbury dough packs and 1 Nutella jar. Okay, so we are going to do a raffle, and whoever wins that raffle will get 5 Pillsbury dough packs and a jar of Nutella. But if you're watching from Philippines or a far country away from Canada, we will send you the exact amount of how much 5 packs of Pillsbury dough and 1 Nutella jar together. We will send you the amount money to where you live. So good luck.
Bye guys. Subscribe, hit the bell and like. Tell us what did you like about this video in the comments down below, and we'll do another video about cooking. Bye guys.
If you're watching from the Philippines or from other parts of the world, whatever is the amount of the 5 Pillsbury Crescent Croissant and Nutella, we will send you the money for you to buy all the ingredients and for you to make your own.